Good morning, students. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I request everyone to sit at their places.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I request Varija to sit at her place, please. Okay. First, I will revise about that. As you know, that we are learning about the circle, the parts of a circle. So first, I will revise the parts of a circle which we have done already in the last class. First is what is a circle? What is circle? Who will explain me? Raise your virtual hand. Raise your virtual hand or I give your names. Rishik, what is circle? Rishik, what is circle? Am I audible to you, Rishik, right?
Yes.
So why you not giving what is circle? What is the definition of a circle? If you define circle, अगर आप circle को define करोगे तो circle क्या है? Who will explain me next? Kiara, what is circle?
Ma'am,
Navya, what is circle?
circle is a round shaped type of curved line that is called circle.
Bhakti, what is circle?
Ma'am, a circle does not have edge and corner. It has just one face.
Okay, what is circle, Prayag? Prayag, what is circle?
It is a circular object.
It is not an object.
Ma'am, it is
Exactly,
a
if you see
circular
the
shape.
circle. Dev Patel, what is circle?
Ma'am, a circular shape.
Okay, Ahana, what is circle?
Ma'am, circle. Ma'am, circle.
Circle is circle.
No, ma'am.
Raisha, what is circle?
Ma'am, circle is a curved shape with no edges, no corners, but only one face.
Yes. So we can say circle is a closed figure. Closed है, it's not a open figure.
Ma'am, I
Open नहीं है
can't
कहीं से
hear
भी.
you.
Dear, you log out and log in again if you cannot hear me.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
You can hear me, na? So it's okay if you can hear me. That's very good. Circle is a closed figure. It is a closed figure. It is not open from anywhere. It is a closed figure which has no corners, no edges. Got it? No corners, no edges, only one flat face. Next is center. What is the center of a circle? How you will define the center of a circle? You cannot hear me. Log out and log in. Someone can instruct Dheer to log out and log in again or type in the chat box.
Ma'am,
Yes. And what is center of the circle?
center of the circle means name are.
Yes, Sahana, what is center of a circle?
Ma'am, center of the circle is O.
But how you will define what does the center means?
Ma'am,
Center, can center be this one center? क्या ये center हो सकता है? I can give O also. Can this be a?
No, ma'am.
Can this be a center of a circle?
Ma'am, reducer we can.
Prayag, what is center of a circle?
Ma'am, can I say? If we anywhere the circle, first we need to get its radius is same.
No, but I am asking what is the, you are almost clear to it. I am asking what is exactly the center is. We cannot mark center anywhere. No, we cannot mark center here. We cannot mark center here. We cannot mark center here. So what does the center means? Center is a point from which the distance to the boundary of a circle to any point to the boundary of a circle will be same. If you measure this distance, if you measure this distance, if you measure this distance will be same, then this is the center of a circle. From the center, the distance to the any point to the boundary of a circumference will be same. From the center, again see the definition. I will give you these definition also as a notes. Please write them in your notebooks also. Mir Virani, what are you doing? And most of the students I can see have joined late. When I started the class, there were only 15 students. Now there are 22 students. So 7 students, those who have joined late, please remain, keep it in your mind that I always join on time. From next time, I will block the link. You will not able to enter in my link, and then you will not say, ma'am, sorry, I'm not able to enter. Then I will also say sorry because you are not joining on time. I will block the link definitely. So please take care that you join your class on time. Bhakti, my screen is blurred with it for 1 or 2 seconds. After that, it will be fine. So what is center is? Center से any point of circumference का जो distance है वो same होगा. Then we can call it as a center. If I mark a point here and if I see the distance of a any point to the boundary of a circumference, either this distance or this distance will not be same. So we cannot say this is the center of a circle. So we say that from the center, any point to the boundary of a circumference, the distance will be same. Then it is the center of a circle. Next is, what is the radius? Radius is a line segment from the center to the boundary of a circumference. This is called the radius of a circle. Got it? From the center, a line segment from the center to the boundary of a circumference is called the radius. What is diameter? Who will define me what is diameter? Yes, Rishik Bajaj. What is diameter? Rishik, first of all, you please remove this background.
Excuse me, ma'am, can I say
Yes, Varinya.
a line that passes
Yeah.
through the center of the circle
A
to the
line,
end of the
not a
circle?
line, it's a line segment. Line segment passes from the center of a circle, touches the boundary of the circle.
Yes, ma'am.
Is the diameter of a circle. And we can say that diameter is double of the radius. 2 times radius makes the diameter. Whether this diameter or I can, a line segment passes from the center.
So,
This is
ma'am,
also the
radius
diameter.
plus radius is equal to diameter.
Yes. This is also the diameter. This is also the diameter. In a circle, you can draw infinite diameters.
Ma'am, this radius means point to the center to the
From center to the one end is on the center and one end is on the circumference.
yes.
But for the diameter, both the ends on the circumference.
Yes.
Got it? And there you can draw infinite diameters in a circle. Infinite means there is no limit. आप कितने भी diameters draw कर सकते हैं circle के अंदर. Got it, everyone? What is semicircle?
Ma'am, can I tell you?
Yes.
Semicircle is the boundary of the circle.
No, that is the circumference of a circle. Semicircle. Semi means half. Half of a circle is the semicircle. A
Yes,
diameter
ma'am.
divides the circle into two equal parts, then it's a semicircle. Diameter से two equal half में जब circle को divide करते हैं, then it's a semicircle. You can give me, yeah.
If we fold a circle, then it is a semicircle.
Yes, if you fold a circle, but if you fold a circle like itna, for example, if I give you, see, this is this a semicircle?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
That's a
exactly divide from the diameter. Then this is each circle is a semicircle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. जब आप exactly diameter से उसको divide करते हैं, then it's a semicircle. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
What is circumference? As you
Ma'am,
said,
Ma'am, the boundary of the circle.
circle.
What is the chord?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
chord is that we can
Kiana will speak. I will not listen. I already called the child name Kiana.
Yes, ma'am.
Kiana.
Chord is a line that never touches the center.
Yeah, chord is a line segment which has 2 points. It is not that which never touches the center, because our diameter can be a chord or diameter touches the center, right?
Yes.
Diameter touches the center, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So a line segment which has 2 points on the circumference of a circle,
Yes, ma'am.
A and B, this is a chord. But we can say, if we keep on extending the number of chords in the circle, so we can see the diameter is the longest chord.
Yes, ma'am.
Diameter can be a chord, but chord cannot be a diameter.
Yes, ma'am.
Because, yes, why? Yes,
Ma'am,
the
can I
Sandra
tell
said, no, it cannot pass from
you?
the center. Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell
Yes, Dheer.
Because diameter can be cured because it cannot touch the center, but chord doesn't touch the center. That's why it doesn't.
Yeah, as
It
Kiana
doesn't.
also said the same thing, that it cannot pass from the center. So that's why we can say
Yes,
that
ma'am.
diameter can be a chord, but chord cannot be a, because for the
Diameter.
diameter it is compulsory that pass from the center, right? For the diameter it's compulsory for to pass from the center, but for chord it is not compulsory. So that's why diameter can be a chord, but chord cannot be a diameter. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
all
ma'am.
the parts are clear to you, all the circle parts?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, as I explain you that the diameter is the double of the radius. Suppose if the radius is 3 centimeter, what will be the diameter?
6 centimeter.
So what you will do here, what formula will come? How formula will
Ma'am,
drive?
multiply by 2.
Radius multiply by 2.
2.
So we can say the diameter equals to, whatever we are finding out will always come before the equal to sign. So what are we finding here? We are finding diameter.
Diameter.
And what is given to us? Radius is
Radius.
given to us. So radius is 3 centimeter. Multiply by 2 when you do, the answer will be 6 centimeter. Here the radius is given, you are finding the diameter.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Suppose if the radius is 4.5.
Ma'am, so the diameter is 9 centimeter.
9
centimeter. 9 centimeter.
How you have done this, students? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, can I tell you?
Multiply by
You,
2.
5 equals
Priyank
you,
will tell me.
that makes a centimeter. So 4
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
4 makes
Because
8
we will
centimeter.
add 5
Chord
plus
equals 9.
5 millimeter plus 5 millimeter
Dear,
is
wait, I
equal.
will come to you. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. First, we have to add 5 millimeter from 5 milliliter, 5 millimeter.
So it will be 1 centimeter.
Very
And
good.
we will add 4 plus 4 is 8 and plus 1
Eight.
is 9.
Very good.
Or
This
we can
also
do
one method.
4.5.
Or you can
Ma'am,
add
can I tell the
4.5,
second
4,
method?
or you can add 2 times 4.5,
Yes,
4.5.
ma'am.
5 plus 5 is 10. 8 and 1 is 9. So 9.0 means is point 0 is has no value. So it is 9. And we have one more method how to multiply 4.5 with the 2.
Ma'am, I know. Can I
Remove
tell?
this wait a minute. Remove this decimal. Don't think there is a decimal. Remove the decimal. Multiplies as the normal numbers. 2 5s are 10. 4 2s are 8, 1 9. Now after decimal one digit is there. So from the back count one digit and put the decimal. How to
Yes,
multiply
ma'am.
the decimal number, that also clear to you all? So the answer is 9
Yes, ma'am.
centimeter. This question we have done when the radius is given and we are finding the diameter. Now when the diameter is given to you, suppose the diameter is 8 centimeter. What will be the
4
radius?
centimeter. The
What is
radius will be 4 centimeter.
4 centimeter radius.
okay? The diameter is 8 centimeter and you have to find out radius. So you
Radius
need
is
to
4
write
centimeter.
radius
We
equals
want
to
to write this.
diameter divided by 2.
Divided by 2.
So this
So the
formula is
answer will
derived.
come 4.
This formula is derived,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So radius equals to the diameter is 8 divided by 2 when you do. And when you divide it, you will get the answer which is 4
4.
centimeter. And you can directly do the half of 8 which is 4.
4.
Right? If I say the diameter is 16, what will be the radius?
8.
8.
What it will be the radius, Varija?
8.
8. If the diameter is 32, Ahana, what will be the radius?
Ma'am, the radius. Ma'am, it will be
Ma'am, 16.
ये तो इतनी देर नहीं लगनी चाहिए आहाना.
16.
Okay, half of 32 will be 16. If the Dheer Patel, what is if the radius diameter is 24? Dheer Patel, if the diameter is 24, what will be the radius?
12.
12.
12.
Ma'am,
Okay, very
Bhakti is giving the answer.
yeah. Now I am going to present my screen. I'll give you some sums to write in the notebooks. Please write down. Take out your notebook, everyone. Let me take the attendance for a minute and
Hello,
then
ma'am. Who know they can solve their own sum?
yeah, they can solve their own radius, finding their own, and they can also share with me that if you are giving the radius this, what will be the diameter.
So,
I'm
ma'am,
going
we
to
can start making our sum also.
see this. You can write here your date today, which is 13, and start writing this sum, finding radius and finding diameter. There are two different type of questions I'll give you. First is find diameter when radius is this. You can either write this or you can write your own also. Radius is 4 centimeters, so diameter equal to radius multiplied by 2, which is 8 centimeter. Second question is radius is 8 centimeter, diameter equal to radius multiplied by 2, which is 16 centimeter.
So,
Now
ma'am,
you can also raise your hand
we
and
can
give.
do it our own.
Yes. Now I will ask from you all also. So give me your own radius, your diameter. Just a minute. Yes.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Now it is visible to you. First do these two questions. Then I will
Ma'am,
scroll up.
I want to see that question. What is
Ma'am,
the question?
Okay.
Ma'am.
with ballpen या pen with ballpen या pencil.
Which child is asking this question?
Mohammed.
Mohammed Patel, you write in your notebook every time, no? You write with the pen, right? So continue write with the pen.
Hello, ma'am. We have to copyright down in the notebook.
Yes. First you copied out these sums and then you
Okay,
can give
ma'am.
me your own sums also. Yes, Mir Virani. Mir Virani,
No, ma'am. I am not ready.
I am asking from you. Can give me any radius and any diameter according to that.
Okay. A radius. A radius. A diameter value is.
Not here. The question is finding the diameter. You have to give me the radius.
So, ma'am, the radius is 200 centimeter.
Okay. So the
The
diameter will
radius
be.
is 200 centimeter.
Hmm.
So then a diameter of the diameter of 100.
कैसे बेटा डायमीटर
मैम
हाफ थोड़ी होगा डायमीटर तो डबल होगा
my net.
if the radius is 200 centimeter the diameter will be 400 centimeter got it
Yes.
yes Dheer Patel give me one example
Yes. The radius is 6. The radius is 32. So the diameter will be 64.
very good what 64 what meter centimeter inches what जो यूनिट आप यूज करोगे
Diameter.
वही यूनिट आपको यूज करनी है आंसर में भी
Diameter.
No, unit isn't safe. You said radius is 16, diameter is, oh, sorry, radius is 32, diameter will be 64. But what? Centimeter, meter or inches or what? जो यूनिट आपको बोलोगे वही यूनिट आप आंसर में भी यूज करोगे गॉट इट स्टूडेंट्स
Okay, ma'am. Centimeters.
Ma'am,
यस
my network is there now, so I am logging and log out again. That's why.
राइट विद द पेन okay now I move to the next child Yuk Surana give me one example
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the radius is like 54.
hmm.
So 54, if we have to
54 what
find
unit also you have
54
to use
centimeter.
Excuse me, ma'am.
54
yes
centimeter.
hmm.
Can I go to washroom?
Please go. Then what
So
will be the diameter?
we have to multiply 54 centimeter by 2. So it will come 108 centimeter.
Yes. Priyag, give me one example finding the diameter.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write our diameter.
No, you write the example which I gave you.
Yes, ma'am.
Your example you just have to dictate me in the class.
Like
Yes,
a
Priyag.
radius is 32. So,
Hmm.
so the 32 centimeters. So the diameter will be 64 centimeter.
Okay. Next is Ahana.
Ma'am, I have written these two.
Okay. Ahana. Be fast, Ahana, otherwise I'll move to the next child.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am giving that.
Ahana, wait, I will call to the student and this so that they should be ready. Next, Bhakti and Bhakti, Laisha, and Meet to be ready with the answers.
Ma'am, can you scroll
Yes,
down?
ma'am.
Bhakti, Laisha, and Meet ready with the
Ma'am, can
give
you
one
present?
example. Yes.
Ma'am, I am saying I am I am giving that radius is equals to 6 centimeters. Then
How many
it will,
centimeters?
yes ma'am,
Radius equals to how many centimeters?
6 centimeters.
Okay. So the diameter will be?
Ma'am, diameter will be um, uh, radius multiplied by
I'm not
mul-
asking the formula from you. I am asking if the radius is 6 centimeter. So you should think in your mind quickly what will be the diameter. 6 का double क्या होता है बच्चा?
yes ma'am,
What is the double of 6?
8.
Huh? 6 का double 8?
Sorry,
Which maths you are learning?
Ma'am, it is 12.
12.
You need to be quick, Ahana. Again, I'm giving you a warning. You need to be quick. आप formulas पे मत जाइए. I've already gave you the practical examples. Half करो, double करो. If you find the diameter, then you need to finding the diameter from the radius, then you double it. Radius given है, radius because radius आपको पता है इतना होता है, diameter इतना बड़ा होता है, just उसका double होता है.
Okay ma'am.
Laisha,
Ma'am, can you
be ready
scroll
fast.
down?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. If the radius is 26, the diameter will be 52.
Yes, Bhakti.
Ma'am, the radius is 444 centimeter and the diameter will be 888 centimeter.
Yes. Next, Rishik Bajaj.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be
Ma'am,
the
the
radius and what will be the diameter?
Yes, the radius is 45. So we will do 45 into 2. So the answer is 90.
Yes. Next is
Ma'am, I want to see the B1.
Meet. Meet. Is Meet there in the class? Not responding. Let me check the.
Can you?
Ma'am, meet or
Cannot see.
Wait a minute, Dhir.
Excuse me,
I,
ma'am.
yes.
I can't write anything.
ma'am, meet or he?
Meet.
Excuse
Now
me,
he.
ma'am.
Yes, what happened, bacha? Why you can't write anything?
Ma'am, over here is raining so much. That's why.
Either you take the screenshot and complete after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Students, be fast so that I can scroll down
Ma'am, can
and
I
you
see
can see.
Ma'am,
Yes.
done.
Can you scroll
next
down?
question?
Which question?
Next question.
Yeah,
Find
next.
radius.
This find
Yes,
radius
ma'am.
when diameter is given.
Ma'am, can you show once? Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, next will be given by Hit.
Yes, ma'am.
Hit, yes, give me.
Ma'am, radius is of 300 centimeter and multiply by 2 is diameter is 600 centimeter.
Very good. Next is, wait, I want to call the child name. Ansil. Ansil, he, Janya,
Yes, ma'am.
be ready. Hansil, Heer, Khush, Desai, Janya, be ready for the next. Ansel, give me what is the radius and what will be the diameter.
What, ma'am?
What are we doing from the beginning, Hansil? What are we doing, Hansil? Are you sleeping?
No, ma'am.
So I'm asking the questions from the students, no? Please answer me.
I'm just finishing.
Please answer me, Hansil. You need to be attentive, Hansel. I'll move to the next child. Next child, Janya.
Yes, ma'am.
Janya, what will be the radius and what will be the diameter?
Yes, ma'am. The diameter is equal to 11 centimeter.
But what is the radius? Give me your
Ra-
radius, your diameter. आप अपना बताइए कि
diameter.
अगर सर्कल इतने रेडियस का है,
Yes. Diameter is equal to 12 centimeter.
but what is the radius?
Radius is multiply by 2.
तो रेडियस है क्या आपका? आपने जो एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करा उसका रेडियस क्या है?
Yes.
जानिया.
That
So that
Suppose you draw one circle and the
yes,
radius of
ma'am.
circle is what? Give me any radius. कि अगर वो सर्कल जो है 2
Ma'am,
सेंटीमीटर
your
का है, 4
screen is
सेंटीमीटर का है,
on.
what is the radius?
Ma'am, it's of 3 centimeter.
Okay, if the radius is 3 centimeter, then wait a minute, Ahana, wait. Then what will be the diameter?
Diameter is equal to 6 centimeter.
हाँ, अगर वो रेडियस 3 सेंटीमीटर का सर्कल है तो उसका डायमीटर होगा 6 सेंटीमीटर.
Ma'am, I have done the B formula also.
Yes. Diameter is now here. The diameter is given to you. You have to find out the radius. So you have to just divide it by.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you show last sum answer because my answer? Yes.
Ma'am, it's... Ma'am, there are more sums or these 4 sums are
No,
only
this
there?
much only. Only
Okay,
4.
ma'am, done.
And children, in the next class, we will learn how to draw a circle with the radius, because always remember that we can draw the circle with the radius only. Diameter से draw नहीं होता circle कभी भी, क्योंकि diameter तो double है radius का. So whenever we draw a circle, whenever we put our compass in the center and we draw a circle, always remember we draw a circle with the radius. हमेशा radius से ही circle draw होता है.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
This watch has the circle, so this I can trace it. I just do.
Which
I had wear my watch, but I don't know that it can be circular. I didn't saw that.
yes, it's in circular shape.
Ma'am, I am on the last question.
Yeah, please copy it down fast. In the next class, please come with the compass. This type of compass is there to draw a circle in a geometry box. It
Yes,
is
ma'am.
visible to you all. Please come
Yes,
with
ma'am.
this type of compass. Bring this and bring the scale also, pencil also. We will learn how to draw a circle.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I know too how to make circle.
Very good.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am, we cannot make a circle from diameter.
No. If the diameter is given, for example, they have told you to draw a circle. If the diameter is 6 centimeters, so what you have to do? First, you have to find out the radius, which is 3 centimeter. Then you draw the circle with the given radius.
Ma'am, can I
Yes.
tell an example of a diameter?
Yes, please give me, Priya.
It is 13 centimeter diameter.
Hmm.
So the radius will be 6.5 centimeter.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I also?
Yes, please.
The radius is the radius is 15 centimeter.
Hmm.
So the no, sorry, diameter is 15 centimeter. So
Hmm.
the radius is 7.5 centimeter.
Yeah. And here you are using centimeter, you can use any other unit also, meters also you can, because here right now we are doing with the small, so we are using the centimeter, but an actual situation the circle can be of any meters also, inches also, it can be in any unit, so whichever the unit we are using, an answer also we have to give that unit
Ma'am,
only.
can it be in kilometer also?
It can be big circle. Okay. So thank you, students. I hope you all have copied that.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Last question.
Hi, ma'am.
Please do it fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Yes. Those who have completed, they can silently leave the
तुम्ही
class.
आन्सर लिहता
Bye,
क्लास
ma'am.
No bye. Please silently leave the class without saying bye. Yes, those who have taken the screenshot or they have done their notebook, they can silently leave the class.
Ma'am, I had typed in chat box something.
Okay, I'll see to it later, right?
It is of diameter.
Okay. Please complete fast.
Yes, ma'am. Wait a minute. I want to take a screenshot.
Okay, you can take.